What's up guys, welcome to Aries Moto, home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick, definitely not easy. Welcome. This is 2005 Ford Escape. This is a hybrid version, but doesn't matter. And today we're going to be replacing the shock and the spring, because the spring is broken up there and the shock is, as you can see, it's gone. So okay, for this job you're going to need a pipe wrench, 24 15mm breaker bar, a little bit of pipe for as extender, hammer. You're gonna need a couple pry bars. You're gonna need a chisel, but it's the flat one, it's not for cutting. You're gonna need two spring compressors, and this is old man's tool, but for this, so it can go inside. And you're gonna need the electrical tape, and of course you're gonna need the replacement parts. For starters, as you can tell right here, that's a pipe fitter's wrench, because the head is yeah, it's rusted and seized, and we did spray it with the WD-40 a little bit, and this is a 24mm. That old man has it right here on the breaker bar. Alright, so if you're working from home and you don't have a professional torch, you can use the yellow bottle one. Is it propane or I don't even know what it is. This is MAP Pro. Anyways, the yellow, not the blue one or the green one for camping. You want to hit it with a little bit more of a heat.
Maybe later, I don't know. Yes, I need to finish that job. Can you come over and just want to show you something? It's okay.
I don't know what's in.
receive it properly. And all that needs a little bit of electrical tape just to keep it in place. So once you install it, I'll fall down.
That's it.
So you're gonna need to use a compressor tool.
Alright, so to save you a little bit of time right now, Old Man is doing just one side and he's gonna do the other side just in a bit, but to save you some time, just do both sides, compress both sides right now, and just so much easier to install down the line.
You have to use both sides. You're gonna need two compression tools. Look at it. All right.
Okay, so end of the coil needs to be
This,
at the end of the right there at the back.
yes. Now we need to replace the shocks. And you put down to open the shocks on top. Okay, that's I'm gonna take first this. Take this down.
Remove the
Yes. And you need to move You see, that's a
And it's right there.
easy. That's a 15. Maybe 15, maybe 15.
And the shock is out. This is Monroe. You don't have to get a Monroe, but
Either need to push a little bit down to take out.
plastic.
You have two. See? Put like this and put like this.
I'm gonna feed it through. It's a little bit dark right now, but there's only one place that can go. And let me just put so I'm just gonna lightly thread it on. And you want to be careful because there's a sharp edge right next to it.
Have you?
Yep, I put it on.
Yes.
Did you put it on the bottom?
No, we need to lift it up after. We need just a minute.
No, I just put lightly thread it on.
To work on the ground, you need to this jack. Lift a little bit, lift it up, that's it.
Yeah, you're gonna use double jack if you're doing it at home.
The thing, and after the jack, a little bit hold.
Yeah, you would put a jack underneath and just jack it up.
Put it a little bit down,
Hold on, hold on.
Put more. More. Okay. Put a little bit more. More. Okay, good enough. Good enough.
Oh, man's gonna use a little bit of
That's our couple grease. Now lift it up. Okay.
Okay, so the job is done.
The plate's in the other side.
Just gonna do the same thing on the other side,
Same.
but it's the same thing.
Same.
Alright, thanks for watching. See you next video.